Slave City family, what is up? It is Bobby and Rose coming at you from our happy place, Costco. We're gonna do a fun video for a Costco family meal. We're going to hold Daddy's selfie stick. We're going to go shopping here at Costco and get all the ingredients to make, what are we making for dinner, Rose? Chicken enchiladas. We're gonna go home and make pulled chicken.
Don't go back home yet.
Not yet, we gotta go shopping, sister. It's gonna be fun. So part one, we shop. Part two, we cook, we eat together as a family, and all the ingredients come here from Costco. So let's walk around Costco, do our thing, and have some fun. Are you ready, Rose?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What's your hold?
You wanna hold the selfie stick? Okay, here. And we're off. We're making chicken enchiladas, so we need chicken. What I would do is go straight for, yeah, that's it, Rosie, how'd you know that? This is what I want. I want the organic, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. $5.69 a pound. The reason why we're gonna use these, Rose, is because in the pressure cooker, it takes 12 minutes. The boneless, skinless thigh is a dark meat. It has a little more fat, but not a lot more than the chicken breast. It's too heavy because it's, how many pounds is that? You shred it after it comes out of the pressure cooker or the slow cooker.
And look at this one.
It's huge. We're getting that. It's gonna be great. Now we gotta find some salsa or some liquid to braise it with or to pressure cook it with. Whoa, that's party wings.
Yeah.
That's another video. Okay, so we needed cheese for our chicken enchiladas. We've talked about this many times, and sometimes it's on sale, but not now. But, what's that? You have to go pee-pee?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back. And we're back. You go straight for the Kerrygold Dubliner. Why? Well, yeah, put that in your cart, my dear. That's the best cheese you can do at Costco because it's almost 100% grass-fed. Dubliner is made from milk from grass-fed cows, but it's 80% of the year grass-fed. Every other cheese here, I don't care if it's cheddar or mozzarella or whatever, is gonna be 100% grain-fed GMO, and the price is amazing. You go to any other grocery store, it's probably $10 a pound. So I usually have a brick of this in my fridge at all times. That on top of the enchiladas in the oven is gonna be, ooh, que rico. We're gonna get, we need the avocado. I forgot to get it during the video the other day. Here, I'll hand it to you, Rose. I'll hand it to you. We're gonna use that as a garnish on our chicken enchiladas. You know what? The price of avocados are just continuing to go up, and they're wildly inconsistent on the creamy texture. So I'm still better off just buying these. The ingredients are fantastic. That's seasoned with just salt and pepper and a little bit of lime juice. It's great. But I need a salsa, and the salsa is gonna be a double dip. It's gonna be kind of like a sauce to put inside of the pressure cooker, and then it's a fresh garnish after the enchiladas come out of the oven. So what I wanna do, Rosie, is get the best quality salt. Wow, that's a crunchy chicharrones. Can Daddy have one? That's the ultimate snack while you're shopping. So what I wanna do is get this one. I like getting organic because tomatoes are in the dirty dozen, so when you can get organic, it's nice. But I look at the ingredients here. You don't want to see any cane sugar, any processed oils, any nasty ingredients. I see agave there, so they're sweetening it with a touch. It doesn't even show up as an added sugar, so it's probably under 1 gram. But I like the fact that it's organic tomatoes. So I'm gonna get this. It's 48 ounces for $6.79. Another option too, if you want to get 2 salsas, I've done this in the past, is get this one. I wouldn't cook with it. I would spoon it over the enchiladas at the last minute. You know what, I'm gonna get that too. What do you think, Leilani? Duo of salsas? Why not? So we'll get this as the finishing salsa, this as the cooking salsa, and then use both at the end too. Very fresh and sweet, roasty and tomatoey. We'll get them both.
You are selling me on a Costco membership.
I think I've sold a lot of Costco memberships in my years here. Costco owes me a commission, I'm saying. All right, it's just about time to go home and take a nap. Rose got a new bed the other week. It's the Birch organic mattress from Birch Living. They're a big supporter of the channel, so I wanted to give... You don't want to go back home? You want to keep shopping? Okay, we'll keep shopping. I wanted to give them a quick little shout out. We have now 4 Birch organic mattresses in our house. They're not only very comfortable, they not only have a $400 off promo code for all of our fans right now in the description box, but it's an organic, non-toxic bed. And that's very important because the other day on Stories, I was talking about having a non-toxic home. And that applies to toothpaste, cleansers, detergent, stuff like that. But your mattress can be the most toxic in your home, and considering how much time you spend on there sleeping, you don't want to have that kind of mattress in your bedroom because it could have VOCs, endocrine disruptors, and other toxic chemicals. endocrine disruptors are really bad for your hormones, especially for the ladies. So the Birch organic mattress is made of 4 materials. It's made in the USA, and it's very, very comfortable, but more importantly, it's non-toxic. What's cool is they deliver to your house. Very easy to set up. The one we set up in Rose's room took about 2 minutes. But what's super cool about them is they have a 100-night sleep trial. Meaning if you don't love it after 100 nights, they'll refund your money and pick it up. It's a 25-year warranty, and it's fantastic. So if you're in the market for a new mattress, and I know a lot of Flav City fans have tried it out, use my link down below, birchliving.com/FlavCity. $400 off your mattress of choice and 2 free pillows, and you get that 100-night sleep trial. So we love them. They're a big supporter of the channel. Check them out if you're in the market for a new mattress. We're in search of tortillas for our enchiladas, and there's only one tortilla here at Costco I would use. There it is, the Siete 20-pack, Rosie. Here you go, my dear. This is great because it's 45% cheaper than any grocery store. The reason why I love them is they're almond flour based. It doesn't have corn, it doesn't have wheat. You put these in the braising liquid or the pressure cooker liquid, and then you roll them with the chicken and then bake them. They work great, they stay together. I use them also for fried flautas too. Fantastic. And once again, the price here for a 20 count is a must. We always have this in the fridge. There's not too much fresh produce I buy at Costco, but I love this. The Boston lettuce heads. It's 3 butter lettuce heads for $6. These are so sweet and soft. Some are sold with the soil still on there. It's called living lettuce. But we'll make a simple salad with this. And then I'll mix up some of that Costco avocado oil mayonnaise with some lemon juice. I call it a lazy man salad dressing. It'll be very fresh and crispy and bright to go along with our cooked kind of heavy chicken enchiladas. All right, we have everything we need for our enchiladas. Are you ready to go home, Leilani?
Not yet.
You're not ready to go home?
No.
Okay, we'll do a little more shopping, then we're going back to the kitchen and make dinner. Push the button. It's safe to assume, Rosie, Mommy likes the roses you picked out for her. Have you ever seen green roses?
No.
It must be a St. Patrick's Day thing.
Yeah.
It was all rose. I had nothing to do with it, and I think they're beautiful
Very
roses.
pretty rose.
Very pretty. Okay, we're making chicken enchiladas for dinner, Mom. Sound good?
Sounds amazing.
Okay. Instant Pot pressure cooker, regular pressure cooker, it don't matter. Give me a few spoonfuls of that, sister. The water goes up about 3/4 of the way. We put a couple big pinches of salt in. Somebody said that if you put an Instant Pot on quartz, it can crack that.
I don't know.
Leave a comment. Has anyone had that before? Because I haven't really noticed that the bottom gets super hot, but I better put it on a Silpat just to be safe. We go 15 minutes pressure cook on high. And then the key, whether you're using the Instant Pot or the stovetop pressure cooker, after the 12 minutes, let it sit for 15.
A knife.
A knife for what? Oh, you're cutting that up?
Yeah.
So everyone can share? Well, you're so sweetheart. So the pressure can come down naturally, and that makes for a more tender chicken thigh. If you haven't had a midday square yet, they are so good. Desi, this is the most unprofessional video ever. Okay, we got the Kerrygold, which is appropriate because today's St. Patrick's Day. Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
The chicken is done. Now it's super hot right now. If we let it cool for another 10-15 minutes, it'll become more tender. Look at this, it just falls apart with my tongs, my new Flav City tongs, gonna be in the cookware set coming this fall. Hey Desi, do you and Rose wanna roll some enchiladas? We dip?
Oh, dip and
Yeah,
roll.
we dip and roll. It's like that episode of Seinfeld with the Cuban cigar rollers.
Were they dipping them in something?
They were rolling them too tight, and the blintzes or the crepes exploded in people's face.
Well, I don't remember that.
No? We have to line the baking dishes here with some of the sauce.
Do I just put chicken inside?
Oh, that's all we're doing, chicken. Well, if you want to put some cheese in, that could be nice.
Yeah, Rosie. Rapid. Gotta work quick here. Don't want to chintz anybody.
I got it.
Hey, good.
Beautiful, Rose.
Good one, Rosie.
Nice, Rose.
Thank you, love.
Put that right here.
Wow, good
This one.
scoop, Mama.
That's a healthy portion of
Very
chicken.
good scoop, Mama.
That's more than Chipotle.
I think we're only gonna need one dish, baby.
I'm gonna cheat. Instead of using the salsa, which if you were, I blend it up so it's a little thicker. I have this really good enchilada sauce from Siete with incredible flavors. I'm just going to use that.
Chicken so good. Super duper yamosh.
Favorite part.
It's your favorite part?
Oh, sweetheart.
I don't blame you.
What's your favorite part?
How long are we going to bake it in the oven for, Rosie?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? I wish. More like 45 minutes.
45?
Yeah. We got into this, Rosie.
Oh,
I'm not a huge fan of using tin foil to bake with, but I don't know what else you would do here. I mean, you can't use
We gotta, it's not touching the food.
It's not touching the food.
If it's
Yeah.
not touching the food, you're fine.
I would never bake or cook on the foil because the chemicals from the metal will go into the food.
You can do it. Look at that. Look at that girl.
Whoa, I work out. Nice, Rosie. Okay, let's clean up and then we'll make a salad. Couple scoops of avocado oil mayo, a little salt. Oh, I knew you were gonna do that. That's her thing. A little pepper. Ah,
clean this.
yes, I will clean it. Olive oil in there, Rose? How much are you putting in?
5.
5 tablespoons? Then I need a spoonful of stone ground mustard.
Listen, like it.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, you're the chef. Some lemon juice. This is Rose's new obsession. It's at Trader Joe's. It's date syrup. Oh, it's so good. Look what came in the mail here, Leilani. A little late. End of the day here.
Yummy, Rose.
Tastes like maple syrup?
Salad on. Nice.
Neat tiny spoon.
Tiny spoon?
Yeah.
Tiny spoon for tiny chef. I love it. You like it?
Yeah.
It tastes like Thousand Island. All right, it's been 35 minutes. The new Bobby approved oven glove so you don't burn your wrist coming in the cookware set. We're gonna take the foil off. The cheese get some color for a few minutes. 5 minutes under the broiler on the top shelf. Super hot. Let it rest for about 15 minutes and then we can eat it. Let's get some enchiladas out. And then the mango salsa on top. High five. The salsa on top, the fresh burst of mango is super nice. Mommy, mommy.
Mommy, come.
Wow.
It's nice, right?
So good.
Yeah.
Chicken is so tender.
Tortilla is definitely not as strong as a corn or a flour tortilla. I don't mind it. The recipe's on the blog. I'll put the link down below. It's also in the best-selling 5-ingredient meals. But that is it. We are gonna eat now. We'll do more of these videos because they're super fun to make. If you wanna see some more, let us know. But that is it. We'll leave you like we always do, Rosie. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Bye, guys.